Hello everyone, today's video is all about TPR or total physical response. I believe this is the most popular teaching method used by most ESL teachers, and I think most of us use this already even without knowing it. But what is TPR? Total physical response is a method of teaching language using physical movements to react to verbal input. It is the combination of movements and language to enhance language acquisition. Now let's have this as an example. 你能看到我吗? 你能看到我吗? For those who don't speak Chinese, this isn't easy to understand. Now I'm going to use TPR. 你能看到我吗? 你能看到我吗? As you can see, TPR makes it easier to understand the question. TPR is very important in teaching young learners because it is fun and easy to understand. It allows them to become involved in learning the language, and it is also very effective because actions make it easier for them to understand. Thus, it can encourage them to engage in the discussion. It also helps reduce stress to students because they are not required to speak at first until they are ready. And lastly, it makes learning memorable because it helps them retain the vocabulary words much better. Take note, the essential thing in TPR is to get a response from the students. They shouldn't just watch us when we do some gestures, but they also need to associate the language along with the movements. There are two kinds of TPR, and the first one is the instructional TPR. So this refers to the movements that help students understand our instructions. The second one is the educational TPR, and this helps students quickly grasp concepts. We are going to talk more about those two kinds of TPR in our succeeding videos. Thank you for watching.